The first generation ukazkou low-profile clamps were born as a result of Mr. Olli Kyttölä's efforts in product development. The original design solved a specific work-holding need in our parent company's flow meter production process at the beginning of the 80s. ukazkou low-profile clamps function on the principle that when tightened down, they expand, simultaneously thrusting the pieces to be machined against the guide and preventing any possibility of play. Over the years, we've made improvements to our product range. As a result of constant product development and dedicated customer service, we've introduced a new RPS system. The RPS, or rotary pallet system, consists of an aluminium column and corner clamps made of steel. It works like a trunnion unit between an indexer and a tail support, while the corner clamps act as fasteners or as fixed stoppers. Due to their favourable position, the corner clamps do not require any space on the fastening base. ukazkou clamping elements make three-directional machining a reality. This is a highly appreciated feature in CNC machining. Efficient use of the machinable area leads to savings in tool changes, causes less operator interventions, and results ultimately in extended cycle times while cutting down machine stop times. The ukazkou clamping method is both an effective and time-saving solution because it's possible to fully utilize the fastening base. Low-profile clamps do not require a lot of space when compared to traditional machine vices. Convenient subplates are easy to use. Loading and unloading the parts from the subplates can be performed while the machine is operating. Low-profile clamps are designed to fit between the pieces to be machined. Small in size, yet possessing an excellent clamping force of up to 150 kN, these clamps guarantee a holding capacity which clearly exceeds the load imposed by the machining forces. Both the machinable jaws and the additional piece models can be machined to suit the geometry of the workpiece. This is particularly advantageous when round or odd-shaped workpieces are machined. The rotary pallet system is flexible. Low-profile clamps can be used on subplates or by moving them steplessly in the column's T-slots. Today, ukazkou products are distributed to over 40 countries worldwide. This unique work-holding system is designed to meet today's demands in the metalworking, automotive, aerospace and electronics industries. The low-profile clamps are made of high-quality Swedish Orvar tool steel, and both the wedge and jaw parts are through hardened. Thorough inspection during the manufacturing process ensures the precision and the quality of our clamps. ukazkou is a well-known trademark around the world. Our name stands for quality in every respect. The ukazkou clamping method. Small in size, giant in performance.